Hello, this is Frank Monahan, and in this screencast I'm going to talk to you about tutorials. If you click on this tab here, it will take you to the tutorials section of the website, and if you go to this tab here, it will take you to the place where you can see the tutorials that you can book and the record of which ones that you've already attended. There are lots of reasons to go to tutorials, but you don't want to hear about that from me. I'm going to let one of our former students, Joan Atkinson, tell you why she thought they were so essential. Here's Joan.
Hi, my name's Joan Atkinson, and I have recently just completed my final year of my degree of language studies. How did I survive this course? Right, okay, first we have the course materials in the book, which you cannot do without, obviously. Distant learning course, you need your course materials. But also, equally as important, I found were the tutorials. Now, the tutorials either face-to-face, where you go into a university and you get to see your tutor, you get to see your colleagues. I found this extremely beneficial, and personally, I could not have survived without my tutorials. It gives you a chance to see your tutor and your colleagues and build up a relationship. The tutors break down the stuff we've learnt in the books into smaller parts, and it gives you a chance to really delve a bit deeper. It gives you a chance to ask questions which you may be struggling with certain areas. It gives you a deeper understanding in the practical use of language, and it also helps you to build confidence. I would say for me, confidence, because you find that sometimes the students are struggling with things that you're struggling with, even if they're different things. We all have different strengths and weaknesses. And one of the things about a distant learning course is that you can feel sometimes a bit like you're on an island by yourself struggling. But when you go to the tutorials, it gives you a chance to meet other people, and you realise actually we're all in the same boat together, and you leave feeling a bit more encouraged, you have a bit more of a pep in your step. And for me, I could not have done without the tutorials. Just to finish, try and make it to those tutorials. Try and make it to as many as you can. Some of my colleagues, they would go to one in London in the morning and grab a sandwich and run up to the next one in London, because different tutors give you a different angle on things. They present different parts, which is also very refreshing as well. I wasn't at liberty to take full advantage of that, but it's a great thing to do. And just, you can build friendships. We'd go for lunch after sometimes and have coffee together and share our woes, and it's really a great thing to do. So I just like to say, encourage anyone doing this course, enjoy it. You'll be benefiting from it long after you finish. Thank you.